Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Hantec markets to MetaTrader 5. And if you want to do this, we can do this on two ways, on the web trader or on the application itself. And you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. So what we're going to do first of all is create an account. So you go right here to try a demo, select MT5, select right here the leverage that you want to use. So do 1 to 50, select right here the money that you want to put on your account. And then fill in right here your first name, last name, email, country and phone number. Then after that, we select right here, open a demo account. And then you will receive right here this email. And in this email, they're standing your login and your password. So you need this in the next step to connect it right here to MetaTrader 5. If you want to use the MetaTrader 5 application, we go right here to Google and search for download MT5 Hantec markets. Then right here, you can download it right here. So download for Windows, then do the setup right here, then log in with your username and your password. And then you can use right there the application. And if you want to use right here the web trader, you click right here on login here, and then he will send us right here to this page. And I already logged in with my account, but when you're here for the first time, you will see exactly this on your screen. You need to connect your account. Then what you're going to do right here is fill in right here your login, and that is, to be honest, this right here. And then fill in your password, and that is exactly this. And then after that, click on connect to account, and then you can use right here your account that you created for MetaTrader 5. So this is how you can connect Hantec markets to MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.